Hello! Good day everyone! My name is Michelle J. Dumba and we are the Group 9. So today, we will talk about what are the basic concepts of mathematics with the title of The Significance of Basic Concept in Real Life with the theme of applying basic concepts in our daily lives. Our objectives. The first one is to know how significant the basic concept in our real life. The second one is to apply how importance of basic concept in our daily lives. And the last one is to be knowledgeable enough to face the reality using basic concept of a mathematics. So now, let us proceed to our introduction.
Hi everyone, this is Monica Onahera, and for today, we're talking about the basic concept of mathematics of sets, relation, function, and binary function. And these tools help carrying out the logical and mathematical sets operation on mathematical and other world's entities. That sets help in distinguishing the group of certain kind of objects.
So, what is the definition of a basic concept of mathematics? Basic math is nothing but the simple or basic concept related in mathematics. Generally, counting, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division are called basic math operations. So, why do we need addition and subtraction in our daily life? Addition and subtraction are useful in our everyday life, like setting the table, making change at the supermarket, and playing some games. Multiplication. Multiplication helps us find the total number of items quickly.
Hello, I am Obregon Appleby. Sets is a well-defined group of objects that share a common characteristics. Sets is also a collection of objects, and these objects are called elements or members of the set. For example, the set of trees, set of polyhedra. Again, we has three members, the set of hats, set of numbers. Another example, a group of insects, the set of all multiple of 5 because we can easily find or identify these elements or members which are 5, 10, 15, and 20, same as the group of insects such as bugs, butterfly, cockroach, and ants. A set of books. A collection of books is one of the best examples of a set. The term library can also refer to a collective of books. It can store books in various forms, including physical books, electronic books, and audiobooks. In addition to that, it has books from a variety of genres.
This is Monica Onahera, and for today we're talking about the relation. Relation is the set of ordered pairs that satisfy a relationship. For example, we have two sets, A and B. First element is A and second element is B. Let A and B be the two sets. A binary relation, or from A to B, is a subset of A across B. So it means A belongs to set B and B belongs to set A. E-commerce is the activity of electronic buying or selling a product on online services or over the internet. Electronic commerce draws on technologies such as mobile commerce, electronic funds transfer, supply, and transaction processing. So I will take the Shein as the example. Shein apps are directed to online banking, so online banker where the relation between them is sent to. The Shein sends information to e-banking. The payment information will send to Shein shop. And that's the example for relation between Shein and e-banking.
The third basic concept of mathematics is the function. A function rule is the relationship between the dependent and independent variables in the form of an equation. The function rule of a specific function explains how to determine the value of the dependent variable, say y, in terms of the independent variable, say x. There are four methods of identifying the function. First is the table method, second is the ordering pairs, third is the mapping, and fourth is the graphing method. And I will explain to you how to solve the function and how to use these four methods. First, we will use the table method. The formula of the function is y equals 2x plus 1. Now, we will find the y value by using this formula y equals 2x plus 1. only thing to do is to pair them up, the x and y. Third is the mapping method. We will need to put the x values and to the right is the y values. It is like matching type. Fourth is the graphic method. We will draw a graph which is the horizontal is the x-axis and the vertical is the y-axis. Now, you understand how to get the function. Move forward, how do we use functions in our daily life? Let's watch this video.
The function is a Gcash that applies a rule. In this case, the cash is inserted in should equal the amount requested. In other words, the output should equal the input. The input is the requested amount that you type into the Gcash machine. The output is the cash inserted in after the function has run. Thus, the following formula is true. Typing 500 pesos into the machine results in 500 pesos inserted in or recorded in.
In mathematics, a binary operation or dyadic operation is a rule for combining two elements called operands to produce another element. More formally, a binary operation is an operation of arithmetic. Thus, the binary operation can be defined as an operation star, which is performed on a set A. The function is given by star A star A to A. So the operation star performed on operands A and B is denoted by A star B. In the school, during recess time, Ben, John, and Dave, they came to me and asked if I had 3 pesos. They said they would borrow 1 peso each of them. So, I took coins from my separate pocket. Then I got 1 peso, and from the other pocket, I got 2 pesos. So I give them the total 3 pesos.
Hi Brian.
Yes,
Can we borrow 3 pesos to buy a food?
of course. I have 1 peso. And 2 pesos. Yes, I have 3 pesos.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. By addition, A and B, when added, it gives you another real number. For example, A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 2. So when it is added, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 is a real number. Therefore, addition is a binary operation. By division, A and B is a real number if A is equal to 9 and B is equal to 3. What is A over B? So 9 over 3, the answer is 3. Therefore, 3 is a real number. So what if A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 9? So what is A over B? So 3 over 9 is equal to 1 over 3. So 1 over 3 is not a real number. So this means division is not a binary operation for natural numbers.
What is elementary logic? According to David Quaker in 2009, logic is simply defined as the analysis of methods of reasoning. In studying these methods, logic is interested in the form rather than the content of the argument. Mathematical logic is the study of reasoning as used in mathematics. Mathematical reasoning is deductive. It consists of correct conclusions from given hypotheses. Thus, the basic concept is that a statement is being logical consequence of some other statement. In ordinary mathematical English, the use of therefore is customarily indicates that the following statement is a consequence of what comes before, proposition and connectives. A proposition is a statement that is either true or false. The logical connectives are defined by truth tables, which has mathematical symbols and English language counterparts, as we can see on the table. Positive statements are logically equivalent. Triangle ABC is isosceles. However, a predicate is not a proposition. It does not have a truth value. For instance, the general or universal quantifier is used to say that a given predicate is true for all possible values of its variables. This is a proposition, since it is either true or false. Similarly, the existential quantifier is used to say that there is some value of the variables, which makes the predicate a true statement. All women like shopping. Hannah is a woman, therefore Hannah likes shopping. This statement consists of correct conclusions from the given hypothesis, and it is being a logical consequence of some other statements.